Hi guys, today we are going to discuss World Population Day. Why do we celebrate World Population Day? Mainly to address the issues such as family planning, gender equality, child marriage, human rights, right to health, babies' health, etc. And the theme for 2020 is how to safeguard health and rights of women and girls amid the COVID 19 pandemic. Why exactly this theme? There are some various UN reports have shown that domestic violence has increased globally amid the lockdown. So, point number one, among the lockdown, amid the lockdown, there is a domestic violence, high rate of domestic violence. Point number two, United Nations Population Fund, which normally celebrates World Population Day, has released a report in which it says 47 million women in low and middle income countries may not be able to access modern contraceptives. So, amid this lockdown, they cannot do it because once they see in the lockdown, it's a low and middle income countries, they don't have that much digitalization, and the work, most of the women in the workforce are daily laborers or in the unorganized sector, and they may not go out, or they may not have the proper income to use modern contraceptives. So due to that, they may get pregnant, and it will have a ripple effect of lowering the future of women's involvement into the main workforce. So due to that, the effect during this pandemic on women is immense. For that reason, we have dedicated World Population Day of 2020 to women and girls for their rights and health. So, what does this United Nations Population Fund work for? It works to support family planning by ensuring a steady, reliable supply of quality contraceptives, strengthening national health systems, advocating for policies supportive of family planning, and gathering data to support this work. So this is the thing the United Nations Population Fund does, and this World Population Day is celebrated by them. On this day, this day comes on July 11th. So thank you guys. Thanks for listening, and please subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.